What I've got here is the Bluesmart Dual hot and cold laminator to fulfill your school, office and home lamination needs. Now inside the box you'll get a feedback leaflet that you can redeem your free gift, and this product has a returns policy. A bunch of pegs, photo holders and key rings with some string for your decorations. A cute little hole punch. A pack of laminator pocket sheets of different sizes. And the Bluesmart laminator. Now this also carries a guillotine too. And finally a corner rounder which eliminates sharp laminated edges. Using the guillotine is straightforward. Align the piece of paper of your size and apply pressure on the knob and slide. Simple as that. On the side there is a switch to laminate either hot or cold. This will take a few minutes to warm, and once it's ready the green light will lit up. In the meantime get your documents or photos ready to laminate. Open up the pouch at the corner end, place in your photo. Simply slide in and it will feed itself to laminate. Only took less than a minute and it looks good. If the laminate does get jammed, there is an ABS button at the back to release it. Now you might see a slight difference in colour when laminating in hot because of the heat, but in cold it will hold the accuracy in colour. Overall, this is a good little useful tool to have to seal those important memories or documents. Take care, peace.